Hi friends, how are you? I'm Arhan. Today we are hunting with dinosaurs. Let's go find. I see one! Brontosaurus!
What color is that?
Red!
Okay, let's find some other dinos.
Wait, there's more!
What?
Hey, Simpson! Brachiosaurus!
Wow. Is that orange?
Yeah, it's orange and yellow.
Okay.
Hey, there's one over here.
What is that?
It's a parasaurolophus.
A parasaurus?
Yeah, that's a big one.
Wow.
It's big.
Yeah.
Look at this milk.
Yeah, it is so big.
Let's throw in.
Yes.
It's purple.
Yes.
Yeah. Orange. Hey, one of Ooh.
What is that?
It's a Argentinosaurus.
Oh,
Cool.
yeah. It is yellow and green color.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Wait, there's one over there.
Okay, let's check.
What is that dinosaur right there? A Triceratops. Ooh.
Show me, what is that?
It's a Triceratops.
Okay.
But a little bit something right here. I think it's red
Okay.
paint.
It is
gray.
Oh, gray?
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's gray. Wait! There's something right there! Is that a llama? That looks like a llama. Hey! It doesn't look like a llama. It's a two-horned Stegosaurus.
Oh,
Two-horned Stegosaurus.
it is so colorful.
Yeah, it is. It's green, black. It does look like black. And orange, it is.
I think it is gray color.
Yeah, that's nice. But wait a minute. Something is right there.
What is that?
I think it's a type of dinosaur. What dinosaur is this? What? Is it a pachycephalosaurus?
Wow.
What? Huh? Where's the light? Oh. Is he?
Yeah. Can you tell the colors?
Oh. It's blue, red, and yellow.
Okay. Green also?
Yeah, it is green.
Okay.
Hey, there's one right here.
Oh, yeah.
What is this? Dinosaur?
What is this, Nani?
What are these? It
Oh.
does look like a Stegosaurus. Where's
Oh.
Stegosaurus?
Yeah, it is green color.
Yeah, I think it's gray.
Oh.
Green color. Hey, two more dinosaurs right here.
Yeah.
Please. It does look like a Tyrannosaurus. I think it's a Tyrannosaurus. It's a parasaurolophus.
Yes.
What I thought.
Both are friends?
I think one is a Tyrannosaurus.
Yes. Can you tell the color?
Because they're not the same.
Oh.
Maybe it's a Tyrannosaurus. I think it's not the same color.
Oh.
So this
It's
is-
yellow color.
Yeah, this is yellow and green.
Oh.
And this one is yellow and green.
Yes.
I think it's light green. Hey, who's here? Hey, it's the other one. It's the other Stegosaurus.
Oh.
Whoa. Cool. It's green and red. Let's put it away.
Yes.
Are they old?
Let's find some other dinos.
What is this? What is moving?
I see something here.
Oh. Cool.
What is that?
It's a parasaurolophus.
What?
Ooh.
Yeah. Can you tell the color?
It's green and red.
Okay.
Hey, what is that big fella?
Oh.
Whoa. You are a diplodocus.
Diplodocus?
Yeah, look, he's he.
Yeah, it is so big.
Yeah, it is big. But wait a minute, there's something right there.
Let's check.
Let's go in. See what is that in the front. Hey. Let's check this thing for. Oh, you're a pentaceratops again.
Yeah.
He's cool. Cool colors. He's orange and white and brown, like chocolate bar.
Yeah.
Cool. So, let's put him away.
Okay.
Do you see any more?
I see something there. Let's check. Come. Get your basket. I will show you. See, something is here.
What is that dinosaur here?
He's sleeping.
No, they're sleeping. It's a pachycephalosaurus.
What? Yeah. What color is that?
It's brown.
Oh,
Are there more here?
I think. Let's check.
Wait! I see something right there.
Yeah.
I think that's all of them. Hey, it's a Triceratops.
Oh. Yeah. What color is that?
It's gray and black. Is that all of them?
I think something is there. Can you
Oh.
check?
Okay, let's go check all of them.
Yes.
I think they're not full anymore. I think it's yeah. Whoa! I never seen this dinosaur right here.
Oh.
It's a Pachycephalosaurus.
Okay.
What is it doing right here?
I think it is playing.
I think so.
Can you tell the colors?
It's brown.
Oh. Brown?
Yeah, it's brown. Are there
Oh.
any more here?
I think we have to check. Let's check here.
You see it?
There.
Hey. Look at that dinosaur here. It's a Stegosaurus.
What? Can you show the dino? Yeah.
It's brown, yellow, and this. And this horn is cool. It has lots of horns. Cool, let's throw it.
Okay.
Is there any more?
I saw something there.
Where? Oh, there's one here. It's a Stegosaurus.
Oh.
Oh, I pulled my dinosaur. Where are you? Oh, here you are. A Stegosaurus, but it broke its plate. Hey!
Oh.
Where's the plate?
It got hurt?
It's weak. So I think it's a broken one.
Okay. We'll keep Band-Aid.
I think we'll get the new one.
Okay.
So we'll throw this away.
I see something there.
Where?
This way. Let's check.
Hey, it's another one. It's another Triceratops again. The same.
Oh, yeah.
The same color. Oh. I already got that. Oh.
You got so many dinos?
Yeah, but I think there's more in here.
Oh.
Are there any more? You see anything? Bye, friends. Thank you for hunting with me.